Hello Edmonton, Robbie Stremski with RJ Homes and eXp Realty here, and today I'm excited to showcase another wonderful listing. This time we're in the Hamptons. Right here behind me is this beautiful duplex, 2-story, full basement, double detached garage, an oversized double detached garage. Speaking of oversized, it's an oversized pie-shaped lot as well. You'll see there's plenty of parking back there. You've got access from the back alley. This is a fantastic neighborhood. You've got trails, parks, shopping, schools, everything's nearby. Speaking of nearby, we're very close to the Anthony Henday. Now let's go in and have a look. Welcome indoors. Boy, spring's here. Gotta love that sunshine. Speaking of sunshine, you can see there's tons of natural light coming in through these large windows. This property is ready for you to take possession. Everything's good to go. We've got it all completely cleaned. Even the nicks and scratches that you would normally see, everything's been touched up and painted. So nothing for you to do, just come in and enjoy. You'll notice the whole main floor has true real hardwood floors, and all the way up the stairs and the bedrooms upstairs all have luxury vinyl plank. As you can tell, just from the position of the sun, the front yard is facing southwest, backyard will be facing northeast, meaning that you'll get a lot of sun in the backyard in the morning and later in the evening. In the meantime, just check out this space. I mean, there's tons of room for all your living room furniture. Speaking of space, check out this kitchen. We're talking tons and tons of cupboards, lots of room for your table. Your eating area is all open. This is what you call open concept lifestyle. Great for when you're entertaining. That way, even when you're in the kitchen preparing all the foods, you can just be part of the conversation. Now go ahead and explore. So now that you've had a chance to take a look at the main floor, you probably noticed that there's a 2-piece bathroom conveniently located right at the back entrance. It's perfect for when you're out there doing your barbecuing, maybe you just need to wash up. Of course, that's where you'll be accessing the garage as well, so it's nice to have that bathroom right at the back door. Now, I've got a treat for you. This is a very rare property, more than just because of the yard and the garage and all that extra parking, but it's very unique floor plan upstairs. Come on up, let's go check it out. So, I've got a surprise for you. Come on, let's go check out this bedroom. So this is at the rear of the home. Very, very spacious bedroom. Plenty of room for king-size furniture and then some. You've got a full walk-in closet and, come check this out, a full ensuite with a bathtub. Go ahead and explore. Okay, so now that you've had a chance to explore this rear bedroom, you probably noticed through that back window that there's plenty of space in that backyard. I've got a surprise for you. Come with me. Now, if you thought that rear bedroom was large, check out the size of this bedroom. It's even bigger. That's right, there's plenty of space in here for all your king-size furniture. It also has its own walk-in closet, and it also has a full ensuite bathroom with a bathtub. Now go ahead and explore. Okay, now that we're done upstairs, there's still more to see. Come on with me. Check out the space in this basement. So we're just awaiting your development ideas, but check it out. New laundry pair, furnace and hot water tank centrally located, and you know what this is? Air conditioning, that's right. It's got central air conditioning roughed in for a bathroom right there, so you can see that there's already a floor plan in mind. Bathroom, bedroom where the window is, and all this could be family room. Now go ahead and explore. So what did you think? Isn't this just a beautiful property? Speaking of property, look at the size of this backyard. Pie-shaped lot, plenty of space. Look at the space over on that deck as well. Speaking of space, if you're entertaining and your guests need a place to park, there is plenty of it in the back beside the garage. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our number and our website is down below. And thank you very much for watching the video all the way to the end. Now remember to subscribe and like, and always share the video. You never know, this might be the perfect property for one of your friends.